Here are some tips that one can follow to grow longer and stronger nails. Always struggled with growing your nails? Or do you find your nails chipping quite often? Drag_indicator. Well, that's happening because your nails are brittle, and in order to make them longer and stronger, here are some tips that you can follow. Add _circle. 1. Use cuticle oil. To improve the strength of your nails, add a cuticle oil into your daily routine. Massaging the oil into your cuticles and nail beds will help stimulate nail growth. A cuticle oil is more penetrating than you cream. 2. Avoid improper removal of gel nail polish. If you love getting gel or acrylic nails done often, then you should also know the right way to remove it. Removing the gel nail polish by random DIY methods, you're actually damaging your nails with the harmful soaking of nails in acetone. Leave it to the experts, or use a base and top coat with regular nail paints for longevity. 3. Don't use acetone to remove nail polish. It's time to make the switch to a non-acetone remover. Acetone damages your nails, making them weaker and more prone to splitting and becoming brittle. 4. Consume biotin. Many women swear by biotin to improve the strength of their nails and boost hair growth. Biotin is a form of vitamin B12 that provides energy to the body. Always remember to consult with your doctor before taking any supplements.